Welcome to a new TechnoGears video, how to fix Facebook session expert. I show you in this video. The first thing we must do is verify the Facebook account is updated. We search Facebook on your Play Store and we can see this is updated. And Facebook Lite or Facebook normally, depending on which you have, we see that is update. And the second, what we are going to do is press the Facebook and to Facebook information of application. And when we are here, we are going to verify total permissions when we are is active. Okay, activate any one the permissions. We go to storage and clear data and clear cache, and there your Facebook is supposed to be perfect. There are not normally steps and there are samples. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to tell us what do you think about this video.